Hi, my name is Sam and welcome to my video. Today I am doing a haul. There's not a particular theme to it, it's kind of like craft stuff and then random bits and bobs for my room or for my project. Or just stuff I've got in general. I know that I'll ramble, because I ramble a lot, so I'm just going to get on with this video. The first place I'm going to talk about is Tiger, because I love that place. And I bought myself this tote bag, which is very bright and contrasts with my all black outfit. But I absolutely love this bag. I love the rainbow or the gay pride, you know, depends on how you see it. I absolutely love it, and tote bags are really useful for carrying sketchbooks and stuff when I'm in the studios. So I like my tote bags. That I got from Tiger, and it was about £2, I believe. I don't remember all the prices of the stuff that I got, so sorry if I do get the pricing wrong. Also, whilst I was in Tiger, I bought some plant pots. I got these really nice pastel colours. There's pink, there's a light blue and a minty green, which I really like. The pack of 3 I think was about £2. I do plan on possibly drawing on them and doing like maybe like a little time lapse of me painting these and making them unique and stuff. But I've got some cacti on my shelf on my windowsill that need to be repotted, and because they just need to be repotted, so I got myself them. Then the final thing that I got from Tiger was this little clipboard. I like how it's called Med's Notebook. Yeah. But it's really cute. It's really nice. I really like this teal green colour, and this is useful because I've been doing a lot of to-do lists lately. Then I went into Clinton's because I was just randomly walking around shops. I bought myself some little Tsum-Tsums. There's Sully, there's little Aim from Toy Story. I do have a bigger version of the alien on there, but I just couldn't resist. I think these were like £3.50 each, which is a bit like, did she just really spend not £3.50 on these tiny plushy things? Yes, I did, but I absolutely love them, and they can join some for ones up there. Look at them, cute, so cute. Yeah. Then I went into, I can't remember the name of the place, but it was a like party shop, and bought myself some black body paint. It's Smithy's Makeup FX. I bought myself this because if you had not followed me on any of my social medias or watched my drawing module sketchbook, then you might have seen that I had done some like stuff where I was drawing on my face or on my arms using black eyeliner, and I want to carry on doing some more stuff like that for this, from my current uni project and just in general. So I bought myself some more so I can kind of do more experimentations with that. Then to go with that, I went into Wilko and I bought myself a pack of makeup sponges and then an eyeliner brush just to like use as applications. These will cover like larger areas, and then I can get in the fine details with this eyeliner brush. This was £1, and then this was like £3 for the pack, and then the makeup was £3.99. It still has the price on the back, so that was useful. And that's all that's in here. Then I went to the pound shop because I like the pound shop, and I bought these really cute decorative stencils. It's a pack of Mickey Mouse stencils, which I think are just so cute, and I want to do like a canvas painting using some of these stencils. Not sure how I'm going to use them yet, but I will. So that might end up being a video. I don't know. Some of these things are probably going to end up. Some of the things that I bought will end up in videos because it's like art stuff. Speak of which, I bought myself a couple of masks because I'm getting back into the mask painting. It kind of ties in with the stuff with the makeup and stuff that I've been, the body painting that I've been doing. So I bought myself a couple more of them to just kind of paint and do some stuff on, so that might have been time lapses on my channel. Who knows? Then I bought myself a couple of hanging mirrors. These are for a project that I'm doing in as part of my university thing, where I'm basically going to be writing on mirrors. So I bought myself 2, and like I said, these are from the pound shop, so they're going to be £1. Yeah, that's what I got from there. Then I also went to Primark because my cousin's birthday is the end of this month, and my aunt asked me to get some little shorts for him to wear in the summer. So I bought these blue shorts, which, oh my god, they're adorable. These were £2.50 and they're just so cute. And I've even got a little pocket in the back. Don't know what a 2-year-old's gonna put in the pocket, but yeah, he has somewhere to put his dummy or something. I don't know. But also to go with that, I bought him this little shirt because I just thought this was adorable, and I thought my little cousin would look cute in this. And this was £1.30, and it's just so cute. I mean, it's a dinosaur. I mean, look at it. It's a dinosaur and in sunglasses with a surfboard. Oh, that's cool. Also in Primark, I bought myself this top. It's got this really cool like tie-dye effect, and it's got like this tied knot thing in the front to make it like a little crop top, and I think it's just so cute, and I absolutely love it. I've been wearing it so much. This was about £4. I was wearing it on Friday when I went rock climbing with my boyfriend, and obviously when rock climbing stuff, I need leggings. These are also Primark. I think these were like originally £8, but they've knocked down to like £3, which I didn't realise until I was paying for this stuff. But yeah, these are really cute. They're really stretchy, and they have this really cool geometric print, and I've absolutely love them. It's super comfy, and like I said, I've been wearing them I was wearing them last Friday when I went rock climbing with my boyfriend, which is a lot of fun. So if you want to see me go rock climb, like do a little rock climbing vlog or anything like that, give this video a thumbs up. If this video gets to 5 likes, I will get my boyfriend in a video and we will do a rock climbing vlog. And then finally, I bought myself an embroidery hoop because I have a DIY project planned for this channel, which involves a very big embroidery hoop. I don't actually know how big this is. It's 30 centimeters or 12 inches according to this, and yes, it was £4.15, which is a little bit more. It's a little bit more than I'd normally pay for embroidery hoop, but I needed a larger one, and the sewing place that I went to was the only place in the town that I know that does these at that sort of size. I can always, the price of that depends. If you wanted to get one of them, it depends on where you go really. You can buy them online, but I don't know how much it would be for a big one like this. Anyway, that's pretty much all the stuff that I bought. That wasn't food, because if it's food, it is probably in my stomach right now. But I hope you enjoyed this little random bits and bobs haul. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see a rock climbing vlog, give it a thumbs up. Comment, subscribe, do all that stuff as you do. And then I guess I'll just see you in the next video. This will make it cool. This is like, I'm starting to trend here. Like embroidery hoops as jewelry. Yeah.